Section 1. Direct speech and reported speech. What's the difference? Direct speech captures someone's exact words with quotation marks. It's like hearing their words directly. For example, Sarah said, "I love reading books." Reported speech conveys the message without exact words and often changes verb tenses. For example, Sarah said that she loved reading books. The essence is the same, but the words differ. Direct speech uses exact words, while reported speech tells us what was said. Both are useful for clear communication. Section 2. Understanding imperative sentences, commands and requests. In English, we use different types of sentences to express ourselves. Each type serves a unique purpose and helps convey our thoughts clearly. Imperative sentences are special because they give commands or make requests. They are direct and often used in everyday conversations. These sentences often start with a verb and don't always have a subject. This makes them unique and easy to identify. For example, "Close the door, please." Here, the verb close is giving a clear instruction. In this example, close is the verb and it's giving a command. The word please makes it polite. We understand that the speaker is talking to someone and asking them to close the door. This is a simple yet effective way to communicate. Section 3. Transforming imperative sentences into reported speech. Let's learn how to change imperative sentences into reported speech with some nice examples. Example 1. Direct speech. He said to me, "Close the door." Reported speech. He told me to close the door. Here, the verb close is changed and becomes to close to maintain coherence, and we changed the reporting verb said into told to keep up with the imperative nature of the sentence. Example 2. Direct sentence. She said to the guest, "Please sit down." Reported speech. She requested the guest to sit down. Here, the word please tells us that it is a request. Hence, we changed the reporting verb said into requested and removed the word please from the reported speech. Example 3. Direct sentence. Father told the children, "Don't touch your noses." Reported speech. Father told the children not to touch their noses. Since this is a negative command that starts with don't, we have changed it into not to in our reported speech to make it a natural sentence. Also note how we made necessary change to the pronoun. Example 4. Direct sentence. Mother told Sarah, "Finish your homework before you leave." Reported speech. Mother told Sarah to finish her homework before she left. This is a straightforward sentence, but note that not just the pronouns but the verb leave in the subordinate sentence also has changed into past tense, left, as per the rule of backshifting. Example 5. Direct sentence. The warden said to the prisoners, "Don't make noise now." Reported speech. The warden ordered the prisoners not to make noise then. Since the speaker in this sentence wields great authority over their listeners, this is as an out-and-out order. Accordingly, we have changed the reporting verb said into ordered. Also, note how the time marker now has changed into then to maintain the time sequence in our reported speech. Remember, we often adjust the reporting verb to suit the situation in the given sentence and change the imperative verb to plus verb. Section 4. Mastering reported speech. Key points to remember. Let's review what we've learned about changing imperative sentences from direct to reported speech. First, we use reported speech to talk about what someone said. Second, imperative sentences give commands or make requests. And third, When changing from direct to reported speech, remember to adjust the imperative verb to plus verb. Practice will make you perfect. If you find this video helpful, please like and share it, and also subscribe to our channel.